Sometimes you may not even know how strong you are until you're put in a crossfire. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. The truth of the matter is, sometimes you don't know how strong you are until you're put in a situation where you have no choice but to be strong. We've all heard of that phrase, fight or flight, and it all comes down to that, where what is your natural instinct when you're in a situation where you have no choice, where you can't lay back and hope that someone else sorts out your situation for you, where you can't just lay back and hope that things sort themselves out. You don't even realize how much strength is within you. You let insecurities get best of us. You may be in a situation where you don't necessarily feel your most confident, or you don't feel like you're worthy, you don't feel valuable, you don't feel like yourself, or you feel like you're lacking something, so you always neglect yourself and almost talk yourself out of doing great things. But imagine a situation where, let's say you have a family. Imagine you have a situation where you have no choice but to provide for your family, to provide for your kids. You will do whatever it takes. Why is it that in a situation like that you're able to push your boundaries, you're able to work 5-6 jobs or whatever it may be to be able to provide for your family? In tough situations like that, you never really know how strong you are until you have nothing, until you feel like your life is falling apart. You'd be surprised at how much of a strong person you are. So if you're ever in a situation where you're feeling like, I can't do this, you don't feel like you have a lot to offer to the world, you have to remember that you are stronger than you think. You have a lot to offer the world. Don't let your insecurities get the best of you. Striving towards becoming a better version of you, striving towards becoming successful, whatever that may look like to you. And you often see this in women, where women are taken for granted. We're taken for granted and objectified and undermined. And I know that times are changing, but it's still pretty there. Women earn less than men, or women are seen as the weak being, and you can't give a powerful position to a woman because she's emotional and stuff like that. So if you're a woman out there, do not feel discouraged by what the world portrays you as. You can be strong, you can be independent, you can provide for your family. When it all comes down, you'll be surprised at how the woman actually holds down the family. Don't let people undermine you because you're a woman. Don't let people undermine your strength because you're a woman. Don't let people tell you that you're an emotional being, you're not strong enough. Sometimes people that show their emotions are one of the strongest people because they're able to reveal that vulnerable side. There's no shame with being vulnerable. There's no shame with being open with how you feel. There's no shame in expressing yourself and revealing your true authentic self. That shows how strong you are. Most of the time, people that bottle their emotions is because they can't handle being able to face their emotions. They can't handle being able to deal with their situations, so they distract themselves with other things. You are stronger than you think. Women, we are very strong, and oftentimes we're taken for granted. The ability to be able to forgive people makes you strong. The ability to be able to move on with your life when someone has done you wrong makes you strong. So don't be afraid. You'll be surprised at how strong you are. So put yourself in that situation, take yourself out of your comfort zone, and you'll be surprised at how far you can go. You'll be surprised at how you can conquer a lot of things once you take it out of it, once you take being a woman out of it, once you take your limitations away. You see how everyone will do everything that they can when their family is in danger. Everyone will do everything they can. Everyone will pull their weight when they're going to make a sacrifice for their family. You got to make a sacrifice, otherwise your life changes forever. So be sure to apply that same principle. You're actually stronger than you think you are. If you can pull through in that situation, if you can keep your family together when you have nothing, if you can take care of everyone, if you can uproot and leave everything behind, leave a city that you've grown up in just for better opportunities, trust me, you are stronger than you think. So don't let your insecurities get in the way. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and